All right, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel and to this video and to my bedroom. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. We're gonna be reviewing a new mattress. You know, one of those that you can buy online. Big old question mark, is it worth it? What's the quality like? Can we trust the reviews? My wife and I took the plunge. We've been rocking that old mattress. Yeah, I just said that. For 14, 15 years almost, and it's time to upgrade finally. So we made the plunge, and let's get started with the review. Here it is, delivered by FedEx in the garage, boxed up. Dog is not interested. This is a queen size mattress, all folded, compressed, vacuum sealed up. And let's get this thing unboxed.
It does.
All right. Daddy's not good at cleans anymore.
All right. Oh, okay, that's enough.
There's no bar.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Right, I'm careful.
All right. Let's just open it.
All right, well, what's next?
See if there's a little...
Are there instructions?
That's what you should be for Halloween.
There are no instructions in there.
Okay.
All right, let's get serious now.
Like a jelly roll.
By the way, this is obviously the unboxing process. We're gonna get this thing laid out, inflated, and we're gonna put it to the test. Somebody's having fun.
Wait. Listen. Shh.
It is hissing a little bit. What side is down?
The gray side. The upside is white.
How do you know?
Those pictures. And the label. Careful you don't get any of the fabric.
I know, right? That's just bag right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Listen. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Air.
Okay.
That been stuck in the cold water.
And we'll just make sure we can
Have plenty of room.
inflate. All right, it's break time. Welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button, like this video if it's helping you out, and share this with somebody that you know. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and check the links in the description. Corners are a little pressed down, but it's normal. Give it some time here. What do you think?
It's fluffy.
Now get off of there. You're going to ruin it.
Feels good.
I mean, it looks nice. Through the plastic. Probably get this off of here. If you've got pets and kids, you might want to keep the plastic on before you take it off for 24 to 72 hours while it kind of inflates by itself. Dog pee on the new mattress would be devastating. I'm going to actually peel it off and then lay the plastic over the top because I want it to be able to breathe fully. All right, well, that was like pulling off a pair of jeans that were just way too tight. But mission accomplished. Here we go. You can see things are a little scrunched there on the corners. There we go. Nectar is the brand. Oh, I like that. Let's wait for this thing to get fully risen. And then we'll get down on it and check it out. All right, this thing boasts a 365 night warranty starting the day that it arrives, which is today. You can sleep on it apparently all 4 seasons, which is awesome. Simple setup. You just move this thing up to the room that you want to use it in and unbox and unroll the mattress, and poof, it expands before your eyes, and they say you can sleep on it really anytime, but they kind of imply 24 hours to 72 hours it should set up, ready to sleep on it after 24 hours. It's got gel memory foam, and it's designed for apparently all kinds of sleeper. It's got like it's like the medium between soft, super soft, and firm. It's like a medium one. It's got cooling, and it's supposed to conform to all types of curves, giving you lots of support. That's the idea. It's got 5 layers of comfort. You're supposed to sleep breezy on an airy, heat-wicked quilted cover with cooling technology. And the gel memory foam cradles your body and relieves pressure, according to their website. That sounds pretty sexy to me. Perfect support for any position, whether you're a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, or you just toss and turn. This mattress apparently claims to offer optimal level of firmness, coolness, breathability, and comfort. And it's got this thing called a forever warranty. It guarantees the mattress for as long as you own it, which is pretty awesome. The longest warranty in the industry. That's what they say. Is it all true? Well, we'll see. All right, here we are. About 48 hours later. You can kind of pick it up with one hand. Let's get the old mattress off of there and the new one on. Doing this by myself. New one's a lot lighter, by the way. It's pretty soft. Not too soft. They actually market it to be like medium firmness. It is very pleasant to the touch, I will say. Very plush. Here's the fabric. Little close-up action. And let's do the old finger test. Depresses and pops back up to its original shape pretty quickly. All right, let's get up on this and see what we think. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Hey, it's only awkward if you think it's awkward. All right, let's put a weight up on here just so you get a feel for what 25 pounds will do. I don't know if that's helpful. Step this up a notch. Now, my wife is not in the room. She is going to kill me. I've got some orange Gatorade here, and we're going to delicately, very carefully, no mattress cover, no mattress pad. I'm crazy. That is going to just tip. I need to put that on a solid, a little bit flatter surface there. Okay. So let's gently push. We're going to see if, by me climbing up into bed, is this going to tip it over? It is a little precarious to begin with, but let's carefully get into bed. Sitting down, slowly laying down. No, I'm not going to go and jump. I'm not that brave or stupid. Okay, so I'm fully laid down, and it seems to be holding. Do not tell my wife. All right, time to jump on the bed a little bit. It's pretty squishy. 72 hours later. Yeah, those are filling out nicely. Good. Let's sit down just on the edge, see if it pops back up. Yeah, that's good. All right, so we've slept on this for 2 or 3 nights now. Is that right?
Yes.
And we let it rest for like 48 hours before we slept on it. Not the full 72, in case you're wondering. And what are our impressions of the mattress so far?
I really like that it's cushy and it feels like I've gotten really good sleep the past few nights. Maybe not more than normal, but it definitely feels like a new mattress, not our old one.
I can definitely say that you've been sleeping a lot better because I have been awoken by 2 bouts of snoring from you, and you don't really snore. But last night,
I had a cold.
fair enough, but maybe the mattress is so comfortable for you, you're sleeping better, and therefore I'm sleeping not so great.
Maybe.
To be determined. Okay, we're gonna do a little test. I'm gonna put these on so I can't hear much, and I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna face that way, and then I want you to lay down as well, and then don't tell me when you're gonna get up.
Okay.
And we'll see if I can tell or notice any movement.
All right.
Without hearing anything. Let's do it.
How long do I
Oh,
wait?
so comfortable with these earphones or headphones on.
This is fun. All right. Laying
I
down.
feel vibrations.
Rolling towards him.
I feel some vibrations, but
Okay, I'm kind of rolling.
if you're talking to me, you gotta talk louder.
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh. Don't make fun of me.
Oh, let's make it easy. All right.
I heard some creaking. I feel like I heard it through here. But I didn't really feel much. Okay, try it again if you're wherever you're at.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel a little bit.
Okay.
But it's not moving me at all. I just feel like slight vibrations. So, like if I'm sleeping and you get up, probably take these off. If I'm sleeping and you get up in the middle of the night, I feel like I'm not.
Especially if I'm quiet.
Right. I feel like it's not going to wake me. Not like the old mattress anyway.
All right.
Anyway,
I do feel that I'm enjoying it. Now, when it comes to, yes, when it comes to longevity, it's a great replacement mattress. Like our old one was over 13 years old.
Well, I don't know how long mattresses.
No, I'm just saying it's not like, oh, last year I got one and I don't like this one. It was due. It feels like a new mattress. It'll be interesting to see how long it lasts.
Yeah, because what did we pay for our first one 13 years ago, 14 years ago?
It was about $600. I remember.
And we paid $600 for this.
Yes.
Just under, actually.
Yes.
We got a sweet deal on Amazon.
Yes.
Okay.
Link below.
Check the link in the description. All right. Well, I think we're gonna keep it, right? No yellow flags, no red flags.
I mean, we're 3 nights in.
We're enjoying it so far.
If we end up changing, we will update.
How many nights of warranty? It's like a 365 night warranty.
According to Nectar, and then Amazon is 100 days.
Yeah, good luck getting this back in the box, but I like it. I may take a little heat on this. I'm not very good at wrapping gifts and making beds, but I'm trying. Why do we need so many pillows? I think that looks really good. Don't you? All right, thanks for being with me today. Hopefully this video has helped you out. We'll stop the video there. Good luck with your purchasing decision and stay sneaky.